Good afternoon. I am Roopesh. I completed my graduation in 2023 in Dr. Ambedkar Institution of Technology with a Bachelor of Degree in Mechanical Engineering. During my academic journey, a significant year project called as the design and development of test rig to estimate the thermal conductivity of nanofluids. Along with my projects, I also done my internship for 2 months in DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. After completion my degree, I decided to transition into the field of embedded systems. In order to help this career shift, I joined to a training institution called Emertxe Information Technology, which is located in Bangalore, where I took a 6-month of comprehensive course related to embedded systems. This course basically helped me to gain my proficiency in some of the programming languages like C, C++, shell scripting, and I also had an hands-on experience in PIC 18F4580 microcontroller, and I also have a system programming capabilities by covering the topics such as threads, networking, system calls, etc. Basically, these projects also helped me by applying to the projects such as where I've done 7 projects in Emertxe, 4 projects in C such as LS-based steganography, address book, MP3 tag reader, and lexical analyzer. And I've done 1 project in data structure and algorithms, that is called as inverted search, and 1 project in microcontroller called as car black box, and 1 more project in lexical analyzer in C, and 1 more project in Linux internals, that is called as mini shell. So these are the projects which I have done. Basically, these projects helped me to apply my theoretical knowledge into practical experience, and I also helped me to understand and gain my problem solving capability. So as a mechanical engineer, it was very difficult in order to transition into the field of embedded system, but Emertxe Information Technology helped me to acquire my skills and also grow, keeps on working on projects and all. I got placed in Zettaone technology, 4 technical rounds in an interview. The first one is written test. After passing the written test, the second round was a technical interview, that is also first round. After passing the technical interview, then the second technical interview was there. After completion of all these interviews, the final round was HR round. So this is how I got placed. Especially to the students who are switching from mechanical engineering to different domain, I recommend them to join to the Emertxe Information Technology, which will help you to gain as well as experience. Practical experience will be much provided by the Emertxe Information Technology.